This is my new A-axis drive. I've got, temporarily I have this motor, this stepper here, attached to the X-axis driver just to test it out. So it isn't perfectly matched to the driver, but it works. And here's my old rotary table. And you can see that I've got the motors attached. There's this coupler here, which actually turned out to be quite a job because it has an internal keyway. However, since I have a shaper, it actually didn't take long to cut the keyway once I figured out how to fixture it. And I'm using a hose clamp here. It's a trick that I learned from Paul Thompson. And I've got 4 strips of light gauge sheet metal to support the motor. So it's a real minimalist approach. I was going to turn a big piece of aluminum and make this thing like a tank, and then I realized first of all I'd have trouble accessing the set screw in here, but also, gee, it seemed like a lot of work for nothing that I'm not even sure it's going to work yet. So although this started out as proof of concept, I think this may actually hold up quite well. So let me come back here a little distance, and ain't that interesting? Like a jam. Yeah, maybe not. Seems to be running pretty smooth. So that's at maximum speed, and there's a 90-to-1 gear ratio there, so the torque at the table is quite substantial. And I'm probably going to dial back the torque on the motor to make sure that I don't damage anything. But at the moment, I think this looks like it might work, and the next step is to build the tailstock.